Did you know Uranus is literally rolling through space like a ball instead of spinning like a top? While Earth tilts at 23.5 degrees, Uranus is not completely sideways at 98 degrees. This creates the most extreme seasons in our solar system. Each pole gets 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of total darkness. Scientists believe an Earth-sized object smashed into Uranus billions of years ago, knocking it onto its side. Imagine if Earth spun like this. The North Pole would sometimes point directly at the sun, creating endless summer in the Arctic. One collision changed everything forever.